I just park here in Country Mall because I can't park to the place where I'm gonna show you now. I'll be showing you as one of the popular product here in Cebu City, which is the Surplus Multicabs. I want to show you how it's done, how it come into the Philippines. I mean, especially Cebu. What it looks like when it come in. This is the sort of things that I have to do. Walk, whatever it takes. Sometimes in the rain, like when I was showing you the tiles, just to give you some information. And this one, I have to park in Country Mall and to walk here. This is the sidewalk of Banilad Road, where Country Mall on the other side across is University of Cebu. You gotta be careful with the pathways because it's all broken before I trip myself because it's just near the road. The road there, it's called Sitio Baca. So I'm nearing the place now. You can see all the cut up multicabs that come in. This is how they come in a container here in the Philippines. You can see the different parts of the multicabs, trucks. Sometimes they come in the whole part like this one, that's like this blue one that you can see. But a lot of it is just like this junks. But you can see how they make a brand new looking multicab from all these parts. Some of them just change the engines. Even the trucks here. That's one kit of multicab that you can buy. those are the parts that came here from a container, and then they will assemble it into a multi-cab. Usually, when you order a multi-cab, it will take about 45 days for it to be assembled, and then you can inspect it, and you can ask for your own color of choice.